Alright, assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to Bonk Update today. So right off the cards again, I'm going to repeat this. 938, 916 is your very big support level. On the 4-hour time frame, although we have some series of move down, a move up, a move down again, a move to the upside, and then again the coin is getting caught with the EMA. So you can see that we've already printed out in a bear flag at the moment, and you went down, you came back, you're getting rejection pretty much at this 20 EMA, which is the red line. Now, thing is, there's this small pattern that may be in play right now. You can see that there's some few support and resistance that has been broken. I may say on the 4-hour time frame we have the support there, the support here, the support right over there, the move to the downside, a push back up. You can see this is the retest. So I think if Bonk plays out this pattern, then you may see a push to the downside, and this comes from top to bottom, and that's going to be all the way down to 995. Now 995 is still a place where historically has been good for Bonk. You can see that that's pretty much very close to that support line. Now if you do end up going lower, go below 990, go to 938, close below it, backtest, fail, then the next big technical target you may be looking at is at least 420 is a place where you may have the next visit, because that's your main big support, as you can see right over here, somewhere down between 350 and 420. It is what it is. I hope it doesn't go there, and yeah, I'm going to see you the next one. I love it.